guys, it's Janelle. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm going to be showing you a few of my favorite overnight oats recipes. No, overnight oats aren't anything new, but everyone has their favorite way to make them, and I'm going to show you mine. There's a few reasons why overnight oats are so amazing. One is they're cold. You don't have to cook them, which is great if it's summertime where you are. Right now, it is for me, and I have not really been feeling like eating a hot breakfast these days. They're very fast to make the night before, hence the name overnight oats. All you have to do is throw things together in a jar or a bowl and let them soak in your fridge and let the rest happen overnight. Super easy. They're very inexpensive to make as well. Chances are you probably already have most of the ingredients to make overnight oats. And lastly, they're so delicious. There's so many ways to customize overnight oats to be perfect for you and your diet and your taste preferences. You can add stuff that you like and not add things that you don't like. So if this sounds like your jam, follow along, save these recipes, and let me show you how to make a few of my favorite overnight oats recipes. Strawberry rhubarb is such a classic summer flavor combo that I just love. This recipe tastes like a dessert, yet it's nutritious and will keep you full for hours. Also, the fruit sauce here can be used in so many other recipes, and I just know you're going to love it. First up are the ingredients for the fruit sauce. Feel free to pause on the screen and the next to get a closer look or read the full recipe linked below. We're going to start by making our quick strawberry rhubarb sauce. To a small saucepan, add the chopped rhubarb and fresh strawberries, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and a splash of water. Stir everything to combine and then mix in the tapioca starch, which will help to thicken up the sauce as it cooks. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and cook for about 10 minutes until the fruit has cooked down and the sauce becomes thick and bubbly. While the sauce cools down, let's make our oats. To a bowl, add your rolled oats, ground flax or chia seeds, non-dairy milk, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and non-dairy yogurt, and stir until it's a well-combined mixture. Next, we're going to layer into a jar or bowl both the oats and sauce. You can choose not to layer them and instead keep your oats in the bowl to soak overnight and swirl the sauce into the bowl in the morning, but I like to do the pretty layered effect in the jar here. The sauce could definitely be enough for 2 individual servings of overnight oats as well, or use leftovers for toast, pancakes, or anything else you can think of. These strawberry rhubarb overnight oats are such a treat, plus they're a great way to get the most out of seasonal summer fruit. You could also use frozen strawberries or swap them out for blueberries, raspberries, or a mix of your favorite berries. If you like piña coladas, then you're going to love having this for breakfast. These Piña Colada overnight oats are an explosion of pineapple and coconut with some serious tropical summer vibes. Add the oats, ground flax seeds, shredded coconut, chopped pineapple, light coconut milk, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and coconut yogurt. Give that a really good stir until everything is well combined. From here, you can either keep the mixture in the bowl or transfer it to a jar. Again, I like using jars as they make for easy transport and they just fit better in my fridge. Once you've filled your jar, add any and all other desired toppings and leave it in the fridge overnight. I used toasted coconut flakes and fresh pineapple chunks here, but if you want it a little less sweet or with more chewy bits, add some extra unsweetened shredded coconut or skip the extra pineapple. Banana slices would be really yummy here too for some extra tropical vibes. I'm such a fan of piña coladas, so when it's just a little bit too early to pull out the blender and drink mixes, this tasty little breakfast in a jar is a pretty delicious alternative. Lavender has been such an underutilized ingredient in my kitchen until very recently. It pairs so deliciously with citrus, berries, and, you guessed it, Earl Grey tea. What's even better is that all of those flavors happen to work really well together. Start by brewing a really strong but small cup of Earl Grey tea with 1 teaspoon of dried lavender. You'll only need about 1/3 of a cup for this recipe. To a bowl or jar, add the rolled oats, chia or ground flax seeds, dried lavender, lemon zest, non-dairy milk, Earl Grey tea, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and non-dairy yogurt. Give everything a really good stir until it's a well-combined mixture. Transfer to a jar or keep in the bowl, and as an optional but highly recommended addition, top with some fresh or frozen berries. I used frozen mixed berries, which overnight in the fridge soften and melt, creating such a pretty hue and kind of makes its own little sauce. Just delicious. But if you don't have berries, you can eat it as is and it will be just as delicious. consider pairing these overnight oats with a hot cup of, you guessed it, Earl Grey tea maybe? I hope you're excited to try out these recipes. Let me know in the comments which one you're gonna make first. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it and found some value in it. If you did, I would so appreciate if you gave this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I also have lots of other breakfast recipes on my channel. I will link the playlist here at the top of the screen at the end of this video. And if you guys have any other suggestions of breakfast recipes or any other recipes that you want to see on my channel, please let me know in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear from you. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will hopefully see you in a future recipe video. Bye!